ICANN 3, the International Conference on Issues of Community, Agenda and News, is now going to happen. Earlier we had planned it in the month of March from 25th to 28th of March, but that could not happen due to COVID-19 and the consequent lockdown. Now we have decided to hold it in this month only, in the month of June only, from 21st to 30th of June. So now this will be a 10-day extravaganza, and it will be completely on digital live mode, and that way it will be the first conference in the world which is happening so long completely on digital. And during these 10 days time, there will be 14 technical sessions, there will be 3 plenary sessions, 3 panel discussions and 3 master classes. In all, 27 sessions are going to happen, and during this 10 days time there will be 158 presentation of the research papers. We had received 202 abstract and papers for this conference this time, which was an unprecedented number, and the presentation is also very large, because most of the authors, most of the researchers have confirmed that they will be presenting. And as far as the panel discussion and the plenary sessions are concerned, all experts, the eminent people from the industry and the media academics, they all have agreed to join hands. So we will be listening to a lot of such people who are very important in the field of media. And since it is an international conference, we have participation from 4 continents, that is America, Europe, Asia and Australia. And I must make a mention here that this conference is being held in collaboration with Deakin University, Melbourne, and we also have knowledge partners, and these are the 3 very important, these are basically 4 important institutions. 3 are the universities and 1 is a professional organization. These are the Adamas University, Kolkata, KR Mangalam University, Gurugram, and this APJ University, APJ Institute, basically in Delhi. And then the professional organization, as I said, this is Public Relations Society of India, Delhi chapter. So all in all, very huge participation is there, and out of the papers that we had received in this conference, we have come out with 6 books. 5 books are in English and 1 book is in Hindi, and in total 141 papers have been published, and totally 174 authors have contributed to these books. So we hope that during this 10-day time, it will be all public discourses, music, because we are also having some cultural programs, and it will be very interesting academic extravaganza. So I call upon everybody to come and join.